Alright, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And I ain't gonna care. I just cut on my camera. I wasn't even supposed to be recording, but I just cut on my camera because I want to provoke this Z01 right here.
Oh!
I want to get him to play with me.
What? No!
I want to provoke him. I'm gonna poke the big beast.
Not coming in here and doing that.
Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay? You tripping. Let me see if I can provoke this beast. Come on. Come on, bitch. Come on. He probably old. Let me see if he old first. Is he an old man? Please be young. That's an old guy. It's definitely an old guy. He ain't want no smoke. Alright, YouTube, so I just got in front of this car right here.
Oh!
And he was like popping and making a bunch of pop noises. So I'm like, alright. So before we got off on the exit, I went around him and like shot in front of him. So now we had the exit and he was looking back at the car. What? This shit fast? Is this car fast, bro? I guess we finna find out. Come on. Let's get level. Let's get level. Let's get level. Let's get level. You heard that shit just pop?
Mission failed.
That be, hey, it's popping. It's popping.
He needs some milk.
Alright, we finna go through the hood. We finna drive to the hood. I don't think nobody outside though. It's Friday. They at school. I mean, they don't got school no more. They at work. There's a cat in the way. Alright, Crown Vic giving me some leeway. I'll take that. Mr. Push Bar. When you see a Crown Vic, it's either a cop or a criminal.
I'm in no more.
It's either a cop or a criminal. It's crazy. Ain't nobody outside. Oh shit, hold on. They got a mini house outside. That's a mini house in the hood. Let me rent that out. I want to own a hood one day. I would love to own this. I'd be raising up their rent. That car got bullet holes in it. Wow. Oh my God, that car got bullet holes in it. They just got that car too. There's bullet holes in the buildings. Yo, bro, why everybody car covered up with plastic? That's a bullet hole in the glass. Oh, hell no. What you doing? What you on? Yo. We're good, twin. I ain't stopping. I don't know who that is, bro. I am not stopping. But shout out to you, gang. We got the fine shit over there. They got bro, they got construction going on though. Like, what are they making? I don't think my tent dark. I think he's seeing me, but I don't know who that is. But what's good, gang? If you watching the video, what's up to you, my dog? I ain't stopping right now. There's a big cat with 299 D3 horsepower. Oh God. I'm gonna go this way. Hi YouTube, so hold on, y'all dirty. Hi YouTube, so we on the way to another hood. What do you call it? It's not a hood, it's not a project. I mean, is it? I don't know, bro. I call it a hood. Bro, whatever he got is finna fall off the back of that truck. I'm not gonna lie. I should be right there when it falls. I just go boom, 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 boom. Well, it looked like it's finna fall. But it would have been fail, I think. Oh, he got me caught at this light, bro. I'm not trying to wait at this light, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Is he turning too? That says no turn on red, but if you turn, I'll turn too. Alright, fuck him. I would have turned if you turned too, buddy. Like, if you ain't about that life, just say that, gang. You know, it would have been crazy if he turned and then I gotta wait for him to drive past. I'd be mad. Bruh, what the fuck? Go! Bruh, you finna blow me, bruh. Damn, turn on your signal light so I know where the hell you going. Yeah, homies. Somebody was doing donuts right there. Oh shit, they getting active. I'm I'm doing donuts in the neighborhood. It made me feel good. Ain't that what they said? I'm doing donuts in my neighborhood. It made me feel good. Ooh. Hey, that used to be me though. I ain't gonna lie, when I had my hair cut. Bro, nah. I think bro, knock like shit. We're going to Hillside. Oh shit. I got a couple little shorties out here on Hillside. Got a couple little vibes out Hillside. You know what I'm saying? Fuck with that joint. Yeah, appreciate you, gang. Appreciate you, gang. Y'all fucking with the joint. Yeah, appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all, man. This my little 1-2 everyday joint. You know, this ain't nothing crazy. This ain't a turquoise car. Oh shoot. You know what I'm saying? This ain't nothing too crazy. This is my little daily. What's up, OG? What's up, OG? Let me get that beer. But how come every time I come here, ain't nobody out here, bro? Ah, fuck. I swear it ain't nobody ever here, bro. I know people be here. Like, I know Hillside get active, but every time I come, it ain't never nobody here. Oh, we got some people out here. They look like they finna shoot my whip up. Let me leave. Let me leave, buddy. What's up, twin? You got a neck tap. Yo, what's up? The potholes out there, mother. I got peoples that stay over there. Damn, I just leaked that address. I'm gonna have to cut that out of the video. I'm not finna cut that out. Y'all don't know which one it is. Bro, I like how the city view is right here, though. Like, that shit look kind of hard. They got a tough little city view right there. Little dog. Let me see. This shit ain't like the ward. They be having a cop out there, all just sitting out there in the ward and shit. I don't see no cop around here. I'm making too much fucking money to put this APL up on my wrist. What's up, twin? Yeah, Tom and Jerry shirt. I need one of them. On phone them grade. Oh, let me stop saying that. I'm tripping. I'm tripping, bro. We already know that they get ADM. Y'all, let's say, right, y'all finna pick up a little, I'm gonna go back this way. Let's say y'all finna pick up a little vibe, right? Y'all finna pick y'all up a little shorty. And she send y'all to like the middle of like Hillside at like 12 at night. Everybody outside. You going? You going? It depends on what car I'm in, bro. I'll go. Like, I wouldn't go in my Lamb. I'll go in the M8. I wouldn't go in the GT. And then, of course, like a car, like a random car, like some shit like that. Like, yeah, I'll go in that. But, like, you couldn't pay me to go to Hillside or anywhere with the Lamb, bro. That car is too much attention, bro. Good or bad attention, bro. It's too much attention. I like driving through the hood. It made me feel like a neighborhood hero or something. Even though I'm not really a hero. I don't know. This made me feel good. Riding through my neighborhood, it made me feel good. Yeah, bro. I don't know. I be fucking with the hood though. I got family in all them motherfuckers, so I ain't gonna claim one. And I'm not from the hood. I'm not a hood nigga, so I'm definitely not finna claim a hood. Niggas ask me, where you from? Shit. I'm from Richmond. They be like, nigga, what part? I be like, shit. Southside. They be like, oh, all right. The bottom, the top. I said, bro, I'm just from Southside. I'm damn near from Chesterfield, dog. Like, I don't claim none of that, you feel me? I'm just a little stay out the way type nigga. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to set bang or no shit like that. Whatever y'all. Oh, it's a fuck. Oh, what is that? I thought it was a piece of cardboard. I was trying to wild out.
And I don't give a fuck because I know, girl, you going outside. Girl, I know you mad. Man, I'm in my bed. How about
Is that a kitty cat I see? Meow, meow, meow. It's me, the Mopar killer. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. We do digs all day around here. 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 I'm finna go get this cat. I'm finna go get that little kitty. Fuck you going, little kitty. And I'm all-wheel drive, nigga. I can grow out through the rugged terrains. Finna get that little kitty. Putting all Hellcats to rest. God, but this road bumpy as. Ah, y'all, what's wrong with this? Hold on, let me zoom in. I just feel like something bad about to happen. I might be gonna stick around to see, cause like my light just turned green. But that, it don't look like you're supposed to be doing that, lady. Okay, we got one more hood to go to, buddy. We got one more hood to go to. Oh, that's the cars from Cars. I mean, that's the car from Cars. That's the girl jump. Charlie. Fine shit Porsche. I thought fine shit wanted me, but she wanted Max. I can keep my feet up now. I can really relax. I'm a young nigga. I'm a sticking out inside the trap. Oh, you took our shit. Oh, I took your shit. And then come get it back. Ooh. We got that Q50 and he stay strapped. They just went to Mickey D's. He don't laugh. All right, come on, bro. Get that Lexus over there, bro. Damn, bro. Every time I come through the hood, they be like, "Oh, baby, who that?" Grandma Janice? Oh, what's going on? What's going on? I be scared a car gonna come out right here. I wouldn't even care, honestly. I wouldn't even trip. I'm not gonna lie. Oh no, I don't want to listen to Ride Wave. Come on, hold on. Let me go down. I never actually went in that store, bro. I think I need to go in that store for a video. I'm only going when the police right there, though. I'm scared. Boy, got that big Audi out there, bitch. So if that's Jackson Ward, then what's this? Also Jackson Ward? Or is that something else? Is that something else? Y'all let me know in the comment section. If y'all know. If y'all don't know, then don't tell me, but is that not Jackson Ward too? I mean, technically all of this is Jackson Ward, but like, I don't know, bro. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I don't even know how to explain it, what I'm trying to say. But like the area we in is Jackson Ward also. So like, I don't know, bro. What is this song, bro? This shit ass. I liked it for a reason, so probably not ass. I'm just not in the mood to hear it right now. Rob Banks. Oh my God. I used to listen to this song in middle school, high school. One school. Shit. Bro, what day should I go to the hood, bro? Saturday? Sunday? How come nobody's ever outside when I go, bro? I want to see the hood bitches shaking ass. I want to see motherfuckers fighting. I want to see all that. I want to see all the ghetto stuff. I'm trying to lower my cuss intake. I'm not trying to be cussing as much. But yeah, I want to see the ghetto stuff. They got pizza box in the window. I want to see all the hood rat stuff. I don't want to see nobody shooting each other. Boo. Grand Marquis on some wheels. Know you was gonna see it. Better hold that little shit. Big 7 Series. Please don't push me to the edge. Uncle on the bike, uncle on the bike, uncle on the bike. Uncle on the bicycle. I'm gonna go back down anyway. I don't want him to be like, why that car keep looping around? Fuck, 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 fuck. My whip bulletproof, so I ain't tripping, but like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to have to replace my bulletproof glass. Wink, wink. Look at that. I'm gonna just take this little turn right here, okay? I ain't gonna lie. What they got going on? They got a festival finna pop off out there, bit. Come on, come on, come on. You're not going in my way, so just get out of my way. Watch out, OG. What the? Is that a corn dog truck? Oh, wings and pizza. I was finna say, what? What? I was finna be like, oh, hell nah. Yo, bro, good. He look like a 3-year-old after they like eat a lemon peel. They got a sour face, walking upset. Dang, gang, straight. That ain't never no action. One day I'm gonna ride through the hood and I'm gonna see motherfuckers fighting. I'm gonna be like, oh, shit, oh, whoop his ass, Trey. Y'all see that? She just shot that bit like Kobe. W shot. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, so I don't know what the fuck just happened. Somebody got fucked up. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, they just got fucked up. Buddy's still in there too. Damn. That shit crazy. Yo, watch out, fat man. Damn, that accident was bad. Shit. Oh my God. Alright, y'all, so yo, every vlog I tell people about the yellow line, bro. Get over the yellow line when you talking to me, bro. Real talk, bro. I'm not for the games. Like, I dead ass, like, I just one of y'all, bro, one day. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up today's video, man. We done went all over the city. We done went to 3 different boroughs of hoods. We done went through the city. I done went to the tattoo shop. I went off vlog, but yeah, bro, we went to the country, the hood. We'd have been all over the place. I mean, it all started with a Z01 that didn't want to race me. But yeah, y'all boys, man, that's where I'm at today's video, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching this far. If y'all made it this far, comment 5504. 5504. And so I know you made it this far into the video, so I know you're a true supporter for making it this far. But yeah, y'all, I love y'all, and I will catch y'all in the next vlog, man. I am gone. Peace.